The most unusual tech gadgets you never knew you needed. This manual log splitter is more sturdy and reliable than a regular axe. Just take the log, put it inside the safety ring, and hit it hard with a hammer or mallet. Now you've got some fuel for the fire. This watch is a cyberpunkish art on your wrist. It uses a built-in gyro sensor to display time and save power, so the watch will light up when you raise your wrist. Cherry on top, there's a built-in stopwatch mode to count seconds. This shield can make you invisible in some way. It uses a precision-engineered lens array that smears the background light onto the front side. As a result, when you put this thing in front of you, you become invisible. This bicycle looks like an ordinary one, but instead of wheels, it has hydrofoils that keep the gadget afloat. The propeller is driven by a pedal, but you can turn on the 400-watt electric motor and move on electric traction. Get ready to glide at speeds up to 12 miles per hour and up to 4 hours on a single charge. And this black suitcase can easily replace a dozen different survival tools. There's so much stuff inside, from a 400-lumen flashlight to a tactical pen, an emergency blanket, and a trusty 3-inch folding knife. The Paracord survival bracelet also comes with a compass, emergency whistle, and a fire starter. And here we have a watch with 4 different dials. 2 dials are used for different time zones, which is handy for travelers. Then you also get a little compass along with a thermometer. The watch is sleek and durable, featuring an all-metal case, scratch-resistant glass, and soft leather band. The wallet's made from a solid sheet of brass or titanium. In any case, both options are indestructible. The wallet holds up to 10 cards and 8 banknotes in total. You can even order a personal engraving to make it truly yours.